The three elements of a perfect snowball are material, size, and consistency, her brother said, right before hitting her with a snowball and running inside. Excellent, she thought. Now I can work in peace, her brother's advice echoed in her ears. For your material, you want soft, powdery snow, none of the gritty stuff. Make it as round, as even as you can for accuracy, and do not make it too big. It should fit in the palm of your hands. Then he lowered his voice and looked her in the eye. The secret to consistency is an outer crust. Take your snowball and coat it with a little bit of water once it freezes. Once that freezes, you will have a thin layer of ice to hold the snow together, and bam, you will get the perfect explosion on contact. Pretty good advice, she thought, as she walked to the door with her icy creation. She crept into the kitchen, making sure no one saw, and carefully hid the snowball behind an old bag of Brussels sprouts, where she knew it would remain untouched. Her brother was right about a lot of things, but in this case, he had forgotten one crucial element. The element of surprise, she thought to herself. See you in July, my friends.